Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to draw a cozy Christmas house together. It's super easy, just follow along step by step and you'll have a beautiful festive drawing by the end. Grab your paper and pen and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof. Begin with a triangle at the top, then add the rest of the roof stretching out to both sides. Don't forget to draw a layer of snow on top to make it feel like winter. Now draw the outer walls of the house and divide it into 5 rooms, 3 upstairs and 2 downstairs. Imagine you're designing Santa's holiday home. Next, draw the chimney. A simple rectangle on the roof with a bit of snow on top will do. Let's move on to the furniture upstairs. In the bedroom on the right, draw a single bed and a small lamp beside it. In the middle bedroom, draw a double bed, a nightstand, and a table lamp. In the bathroom, draw a bathtub, a sink, and a toilet. Keep it simple and neat. Now let's head downstairs to the kitchen. Draw the staircase connecting the 2 floors. Then add a refrigerator, a stove, and some kitchen cabinets. Just a few lines and you've got a warm little kitchen. Time for the living room. Draw a Christmas tree with a star on top and some ornaments. Then draw a picture frame on the wall. Add a wrapped gift under the tree. Draw 2 Christmas stockings hanging above the fireplace, and finally, draw the fireplace itself. Have you ever hung stockings for Santa? Let me know in the comments. Now we're going to start coloring the picture. While we color, I'll share some fun Christmas facts with you. Some of these might surprise you. The tradition of hanging Christmas stockings by the fireplace comes from a centuries-old legend. The story tells of a kind but poor man who had 3 daughters and couldn't afford dowries for them to marry. Saint Nicholas, hearing of the man's troubles, decided to help. One night, he secretly dropped gold coins down the chimney, which landed in the girls' stockings that were hung by the fire to dry. Since then, children have hung stockings in hopes of receiving gifts. Today, stockings are often decorated with names, glitter, or festive patterns, and they're filled with candies, small toys, or even handwritten notes. In many homes, the fireplace becomes the centerpiece of Christmas decor, with stockings adding warmth and charm. Whether you believe in the legend or not, the tradition continues to bring excitement and joy to children around the world. The Christmas tree is one of the most iconic symbols of the holiday season, but its origins go back much further than you might think. Evergreen trees were used in ancient winter festivals to symbolize life and renewal. The modern Christmas tree tradition began in Germany in the 16th century when devout Christians brought decorated trees into their homes. Some built wooden pyramids and decorated them with evergreens and candles. The custom spread across Europe and eventually to America in the 1800s. Today, trees are adorned with lights, ornaments, and stars, each with its own meaning. The star on top represents the Star of Bethlehem, while ornaments can reflect family memories or cultural themes. Artificial trees have become popular for convenience, but real trees still hold a special place in many hearts. Decorating the tree is often a cherished family tradition filled with laughter, music, and nostalgia. The fireplace isn't just a cozy spot. It's deeply tied to Christmas lore. In many cultures, it's believed that Santa Claus enters homes through the chimney to deliver gifts. This idea comes from European folklore, where magical beings often use chimneys to enter homes. The fireplace also symbolizes warmth and gathering during the cold winter months. In older times, families would hang their stockings by the fire to dry, which later became part of the Christmas tradition. Today, fireplaces are decorated with garlands, candles, and lights, creating a festive focal point. Even homes without real fireplaces often use decorative versions to capture the holiday spirit. The glow of Christmas lights creates a magical atmosphere, inviting people to slow down, reflect, and celebrate. Whether simple or extravagant, they remind us that even in the darkest season, light always finds a way. The kitchen might not seem like a traditional Christmas symbol, but it plays a central role in holiday celebrations. It's where cookies are baked, hot cocoa is stirred, and festive meals are prepared. In many cultures, special dishes are made only during Christmas, like gingerbread in Germany, tamales in Mexico, or roast turkey in the US. The act of cooking and sharing food brings families together, creating lasting memories. Kitchens are often decorated with small touches, red towels, snowflake mugs, or cinnamon-scented candles. Some families even bake cookies for Santa and leave them out with a glass of milk. The warmth of the kitchen, both literal and emotional, makes it a heart of the home during the holidays. Whether you're baking with loved ones or sneaking a treat late at night, the kitchen is where Christmas magic is made. And there you have it. Our cozy Christmas house is complete. Isn't it beautiful? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Wishing you a warm and joyful Christmas season. See you next time.